Hello everyone, my name is Vishal Chouhan. I'm currently doing my internship with Future Ready Talent, Microsoft. This is the video demonstration of the project I have made. The project I have made is Weather Analysis and Prediction, which I have named it as Mausam. Mausam is a valuable tool for staying informed about the weather and planning your activities accordingly. By using Mausam, you can stay safe and be comfortable no matter what the weather brings. It provides up-to-date weather information for your current location or any other location in the world. It typically offers you a variety of features such as current weather conditions, including temperature, humidity, and wind speed. The API which I have used in this project is Weather by API Ninjas. And this is the screenshot of the UI of the project. So let me tell you how did I fetch this API into my project. So you need to click on this link. You'll be directed to the Rapid API website and on which you need to click for Weather by API Ninjas. So once you are directed to this website, you need to just go for JavaScript and you need to fetch. You click on fetch. You just need to fetch and copy this code and implement this in your project. Now coming to the deployment part, I will just show you. The deployment which are being used in this project is one that is of two types. One is using the GitHub pages and another is using the Microsoft Azure web apps. Using GitHub pages, let me show you first. Like you need to come to your repository, click on settings, then GitHub pages, then you need to save this as keep this as master and keep this as root and just save it. So once you have done this and you just reload this page again, you will be directed with a link which contains the repository name. So once if you click on this repository name, you will be directed to the weather app page. And another deployment which I've done is using the Microsoft Azure. Coming to Microsoft Azure, this is the resource named as Mausam resource in which I have created a web app, and using this Microsoft has also provided me a URL for the project which I have been deployed using GitHub. So once if you click on this URL, you will be directly directed again to your project. So now if you're searching the weather for any place such as Bengaluru, and if you click on search, you can see that the temperature here now is 24 degrees Celsius. And if you go for Chicago, it shows 24 degrees Celsius. And if you go for Kolkata, it shows 31 degrees Celsius. And if you go for Mumbai, it shows 28 degrees Celsius. Now if you go for Chicago, it shows 24 degrees Celsius. Now if you go for Uganda, it shows you 23 degrees Celsius. Now if you just click on X and if you search for X, it it shows undefined. Why? Because there is no city or there is no name named as X. There is nothing called as X. Now coming back to our repository, when you have deployed your project on Microsoft Azure through GitHub, there is a folder called as GitHub Workflows, which is automatically created on your GitHub repository when you have been deployed on Microsoft Azure. This is using the CI/CD Azure. So once you click on this Microsoft GitHub Workflows, you can see that click on Actions. You can see that your project is being deployed. One is using the GitHub pages and another is using the Microsoft Web Apps. If I click on this, and you can also see the how the project is being deployed. It is built within 27 seconds, and you can see the flow. So if you're clicking on this, you have been directed to the weather app again. Thank you, Future Ready Talent, for providing me this opportunity.